Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, February the 8th, 2024. We have here in this daily newspaper three regular puzzles. Yeah, three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars and 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. In these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. What's the news of today? Well, I saw in the on the news, the opponent of Putin is blocked from the presidential election. Yeah, we have a good opponent for the president election, and he had a lot of votes. Yeah. But he's excluded. Anyway, enough about politics. This one will be number 7960. 7960. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a 3 stars puzzle. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. If it's a 3 stars, it's indicated with 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? We have here 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the column next, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, again 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. All right. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this big square. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row. First row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So the row between second row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the column next, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the row below, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. The 8 in the first column, the 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in that row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, and look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this column. So no 2 and 4 in this box. 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mother one. The 9, I believe, yeah, the 9 for already, yeah. Mention the 9. That means 3 and 7, okay. How about the 6 in this column? 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the last row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 9 in the first row. 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. Okay. How about the number 6, 6. The 2. 2. 1 and a 3. Come on. 3, 1, 3. And I need a 7, 1, 3, 7 and a 2. Alright. 3, 3. 2, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. Here or there we see another 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 1, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 1, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Now I cannot continue with the 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 3, okay. 4. 1 and the 3. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, from that row, the only place left of 4, should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left of the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. Alright. Then 1 and then 9. Okay, 1 and then 9. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and 9. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6, 6, okay. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left of the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left of the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left of the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. Then 1 and 7, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 now in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now 1 box left in this big square for the 1 and 2. The 3 is missing, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 8, 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, 13 minutes. Should be a 0 stars, not the 2 stars. Yeah, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star, 0 stars, because I'm faster than 14 or 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.